Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what matters: keys, extension, and host info. Open VS Code, install the remote SSH extension, and confirm your local SSH key exists in /SSH. Once done, add the public key to the remote server's authorized keys so passwords aren't needed. Make sure your known host's entry will accept the server fingerprint. This prevents abrupt connection prompts. Now open the command palette and choose Remote SSH. Connect to host. You're starting an actual SSH session. You now configure and run the connection. Edit /SSH/config to add a host block with host name, user, port, and identity file. This simplifies repeated connections. Once saved, open the command palette and pick Remote SSH. Connect to host, then choose your alias. VS Code will use the specified identity file. If it prompts, enter your key passphrase. This makes file browsing and terminal access seamless because VS Code forwards the SSH session into its remote workspace extension host. You finish by opening the remote folder and letting VS Code install remote server components. This creates the bridge for terminals and extensions. Verify the Remote Explorer shows your active session and forward any ports you need. For example, 3000 for web apps. If connection fails, check that your identity file path is correct, that SSH agent is running and loaded with your key, and that the server's authorized keys contains your public key. Adjusting permissions, 700/600, often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.